Hey, Boo. You ready to have some fun? Boo, I got something for you to check out. I don't know what you're gonna think about it, and I didn't even know it was a real thing, but unicorns poop, Boo, and we have some. It's unicorn poopies. Yeah, it's rainbow colored. It says it'll stick to walls and stuff. I'm curious to see how you feel about how it feels. A little head whip. What if it's stinky? Is that it? Oh, it's got plastic over it. Oh, yeah, get the cover off. Get out of there. Boo has tasted unicorn poop. Pull that off in there. Ooh, it's very sticky, Boo. All right, here you go, Boo. Here's your pile of unicorn poop. What do you think about it? Picks up everything. It's really sticky. Let's see if it'll stick to the wall, Boo. Ready? It does. What's his face? Watch, Boo.
Oh, he doesn't care why it's still sticky.
You're rolling it down the wall, Boo. Get it, Boo. We see ya. You like it? Okay. Really? Are you washing the wall with it? Boo, that's gonna be warm. Stop! Don't hurt my walls! Really?
Oh, he's cuddling with it.
So Monkey Boo has worked himself extremely tired. As you can see, he's actually snuggling with his unicorn poop. He loves it. He's had a good time, and he's gonna play with it some more, but first he's gonna have a nap.